Hello guys, today I want to show you the best sound settings in OBS for streaming games on Twitch. So let's go. We will start with microphone. In microphone you can use these filters. If you don't have NVIDIA audio effects, then you should use noise suppression, RN noise, good quality, more CPU usage, and expander on with these settings. Ratio 1:1, threshold -40, attack 10 milliseconds, release 50 milliseconds, and nothing else. For NVIDIA audio effects, you choose NVIDIA noise removal and room echo removal. I found this to work the best. On suppression intensity, you choose 0.90 and leave this on enabled voice optimization. Then we go with upward compressor. To add them you need to press plus and choose them right here. Upward compressor, ratio 30:1 or 0:30:1, threshold -30 decibels, attack 10 milliseconds, release 150 milliseconds, and nothing else. Compressor, ratio 4:1, threshold -20 decibels, attack 6 milliseconds, release 100 milliseconds. Gain, it's up to you. Just look at your microphone and see that your microphone is kinda on this level. You need to be on this level to sound properly on stream. So adjust by your microphone. This is the only non-standard filter that I'm going to show you. Limiter, threshold -10 decibels and release 60 decibels. Now let's go with game sound filters. Compressor, ratio 3:1, threshold -18 decibels, attack 25 milliseconds, release 250 milliseconds, and nothing else. Compressor for microphone, this is one of the most useful filters in OBS, and very strange that not a lot of people use it, even top streamers. How it works: when you start talking, the game volume goes down automatically, so the game volume won't go upper than your voice or louder than your voice, like never, which is kinda cool. So how to set it up: ratio 2:1, threshold -30 decibels, attack 1 millisecond, release 803 milliseconds or 800 milliseconds, let me change, 800 milliseconds, output gain 0, and here in sidechain you need to use your microphone source that you have right here, and when you will be talking, the game volume or music volume or any volume on your PC, any sound on your PC that you are currently capturing will go down automatically, which is very cool. Now limiter, threshold -15 decibels and release 60 decibels. Here in audio mixture, your microphone should be higher on 0 decibels. Game sound should be on -9 decibels. Let's go with basic settings. In sound, every device should be here disabled. Disable everything. Let's disable them. We disable everything. If you have a decent CPU, you should be using the peak meter type, true peak higher CPU usage. When you'll be peaking, your microphone or your game will be peaking, that shouldn't happen like never, but still, if it will be peaking, it won't compress your sound to shit. It will preserve maximum of your sound when compressing, so it won't go like something like this. It will be words and sounds with a little lesser quality, but it will be understandable. Now let's apply. Now we go to output, audio. In audio we use 320 bitrate on every track we have here. Now if you want to listen to music on stream, it's very easy to do. We go to streaming, we set up audio track on 1 and Twitch VOD track on 2. This way, when we stream and we want to hear music on stream, we stream with music, people on stream hear the music, but in our VOD there won't be any music, only game and microphone sound. Okay, let's go. Now Let's go with adding music. Now we press plus. Application audio capture beta. Let's call it Spotify, for example. Okay. Now we choose here Spotify. Let's find it. Here we have Spotify and okay. Your music should be always lower than your game sound. So it should be going on minus 15 decibels. And the filters for your music will differ a bit. Let me show you the best filters for your music. So we use the same three filters, but we set them a bit differently. So compressor, ratio 3:1, threshold minus 22 decibels, attack 25 milliseconds, release 250 milliseconds, and output gain 1.50 decibels, just in case music sound will be a lot lower than we need it to be. Now compressor for microphone, we'll leave it the same, and limiter differs, it will be minus 20 decibels. How we set it up in multi-streaming? If we want to hear the music on Twitch, but we don't want to hear it on YouTube. For this, we go here in our multi-streaming plugin, settings, and we choose here the track that we wanna capture. We choose the second track, not the first track. First track will be game sound, microphone and music and other sounds if you need it. And second track will be just microphone and music. To set it up properly, we need to go here. We open the track menu. And in track menu, we find the game sound. We choose it to be on 1 and 2. Our microphone on 1 and 2. Music only on 1. And that's all. We have everything set up properly. So if you find the video useful, please leave a like, sub, and if you don't want to waste your time on setting OBS up and with everything, with all these features, you can DM me and I will set it up properly for a reasonable price, professionally, properly, and I will get you ready for streaming like a pro. Yeah, so good luck streaming and see ya next guides. Bye bye.